back with another video. This is a Rubik's Cube and I'm gonna solve it with just one shake with my hand. Now see. Yeah, this is solved. Actually a camera trick. We had this cube and this camera over here, actually a phone. I started the video while he was shaking his hand and then I paused the video. When I paused the video, he just solved the Rubik's Cube. He's my brother. He's like really expert in solving this cube. Yeah, solve it. And then he again shook his hand like that, and I started the recording again, and then I stopped it. So like that was like a. You can even use this camera trick to do something like this. This is Shavin Bosle back with another video over here, and now I'm gonna solve this Rubik's cube in just one throw in the air. Watch. This is solved. Now you can see this is totally solved. Yeah, full thing is solved.